So today I'm about to show you how to generate a mind map in Flowith.io. If you want to break down ideas visually into clear branches, this is one of the fastest way to do it. First, open Flowith.io, go to your project, add a free node. This will be your core idea. From there, you can build your mind map in two ways. Click the plus icon to generate new branches, or drag a connection line from the core node to create subtopics. Now, to make it faster, you can also use a prompt like break this topic down into 5 key subcategories, or generate a mind map structure for this idea. Flowit will automatically expand your idea into a structured map. And that's it. That's how to generate a mind map in Flowit.io. If this helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe for more quick tutorials like this, and comment down below what other topics you want me to break down next. I'll see you on the next one.